afternoon, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I am here to present a speech on World Public Transport Day. Every year, the 10th November is observed as International Day of Public Transport to raise awareness of the negative environmental effects of increasing traffic density and to motivate people to use public transportation and conserve fuel. The history of transportation generally begins from the human era and continues to change over a period of time. Humans initially relied on walking and domesticated animals for transportation. After the development of wheels, horse cart, bullock cart, rickshaws and bicycle were used. In 1776, after the invention of steam engine, people were started to use steam-powered ships and steam-powered trains. In 1885, the first petrol-driven car was designed. In 1903, the Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. We have come across a lot of innovation and development in transportation. Today, we have a wide range of transportation options. Car, buses, train, aeroplanes, ships, metro, and new technologies like electric and self-driving vehicles. And we are now traveling in space. And it's really exciting to wonder what the future might hold. And in the occasion of in this occasion, I want to give you a message. Use public transport always and save our Mother Earth. Now we have one more special program by 4A and 4B. Now let's watch that beautiful dance and enjoy.
सबको यही देती संदेशा दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आए रे दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे अपने भाग हम सवारे और सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी सबको यही देते संदेशा दिवाली चारे पासे बढ़ के खुशी छाई है रोशनी पे रंग लगे दिवाली आई अच्छाई को अब रोशन करे हम आग में बुराई को जलाए अब न हो जुए की चाहते कभी दीपावली गली गली की भी खुशी लावी रे अजवाड़ा की चादर ओढ़ी दीपावली आई रे।